Hello, welcome to Very Good Drinks. I'm Jazz, and today I have a fun, quick little drink called the Horchata Whiskey Sour. It's pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It's a twist on a whiskey sour. Pretty classic, but with a little bit of a Mexican flair on this one. If you don't know, horchata is a rice-based drink that is really popular in both Spain and Mexico, but it's essentially rice milk that is flavored with a little bit of cinnamon, sometimes a few other spices, some sugar. It's usually pretty lightly sweet, but it can be, a little bit sweeter sometimes. Our version uses coconut milk, which I find to be absolutely delicious, light yet creamy, and a little bit nutty that can pair really well with that cinnamon. Traditional versions a lot of times will use condensed milk and dairy products, but this one's totally vegan and dairy free. If you want the recipe, it is on our website and I'll link it somewhere over here. I'm really proud of that recipe. It's really tasty, so let me know if you make it. But we will be using a store-bought horchata that we got in Mexico City from a really popular place that makes fantastic horchata, and theirs is indeed coconut milk based, so I thought it was perfect for this cocktail. So to start, we're going to make our horchata syrup. Super easy, 1 part horchata, 1 part sugar. Stir it up. I don't even heat it up or anything like that. I just stir it until it's dissolved. Once it's completely dissolved, you can go ahead and bottle that and we're ready to go. So to build the horchata whiskey sour, we're gonna do 1 ounce of our horchata syrup. We're gonna do 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of AQUAFABA, and we're gonna do 2 ounces of our whiskey. And what we're using for this cocktail is a Nixtamalized corn whiskey from just outside of Mexico City. Perfect pairing for this. It's got a little bit of a sweetness and like that corn. If you can't find it, I would maybe try Mellocorn is another great corn whiskey that I love. So once everything's in the tin, we're gonna do what's called a reverse dry shake. So we're gonna shake it once with ice, strain off the ice, shake it again, get it super fluffy, and then make sure you run it through the fine tea strainer or the fine strainer, and that's gonna make sure all the big bubbles get strained out, and it leaves us with an extremely smooth, creamy texture, which is exactly what we want with this cocktail. For garnish, so I'm gonna do fresh grated nutmeg and then some Angostura bitters, which is pretty common on a whiskey sour. It's super light and refreshing and delicious, but it also has this creamy, nutty, spiced thing that I think would be great in fall or winter as well. I'm not like the biggest whiskey cocktail guy, but I find this to be like absolutely banging. It's bussin', it's delicious. So let me know if you try it. I hope you enjoy the recipe, and I will see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe if you care to. It's fine, no pressure, whatever. I don't care. I do, but I don't want you to know. Okay, bye.